Hello, ma'am. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Actually, what do you do exactly in GD Goenka?
Actually, I am the first phase of UID, which is in GD Goenka, and I used to guide the student how to come up, the process for the admissions, and tell about all that we are providing the disciplinary, what is good for the students, and guide them. Basically, if I'll give in a short term, it is counseling that I do.
In this building, can you show it to us once? If you don't mind? Yeah,
Absolutely,
what is going on here
I will
exactly?
love to do
Thank you so
everything.
much. What is going on here?
So here, a student are showcasing their art and craft that they have created it in their module, and all students are first year of students. So we provide them a foundation course where it is a material exposures where they are doing. See, this is a metal art and craft that they have made artifacts. They have created it. It's a metal one.
Nice.
They have created from the clay material specification. It's ceramic resin. Yeah, it's a resin. So how they create it, we used to teach them, and then after the module is over, we used to make them to showcase their all that stuffs that they have created it.
Right,
So
right. Even
if you,
stonework also.
yeah, here's the stonework
Yeah.
that
Oh
we
my God.
see the student have crafted it. Carving stone is not easy. It's one of itself is a very heavy, and then they used to do it, and marvelous job they have done it. You can see it. That I love the special that the
This fiber with the
no,
stone.
it's resin.
Acha.
It's a fabric. It's a material that is called resin. They put a solution and then they make according to their shape because all are designer students, so they have to design it. It's
Okay.
a clay.
Yeah.
See, there are some products that are fine made it, and there are some product that can be a little bit of broken or something like that. But then itself, it's a beauty. You can see this one. This is a metal
Yeah.
carving.
This is something different field, really.
It's actually a designing field. If you see surrounding, you will find designing is everywhere. What in a layman term, sui se leke talwar tak, everything is design. You need to design convenient according to the people. Designing is one thing where you are going to find it the problem, obstacles, and then you will find the solution of that. So that what designing is nowadays defined as. So these are all the clay. Yes.
Oh.
This is also the clay. The student used to make it with clay and then they dry it and they used to bake it in a kin machine. So I'll show you that a huge big machine where they used to bake that at. And the final outcome is here in front
Good
of you.
design is a little design as possible. Nice.
Yeah, it's not everyone's cup of tea. It's like you have to live design, you have to eat design, you have to think design, then design is
They
going to
have to
come
be so
instantly.
passionate.
Yes.
What is this lab, ma'am, exactly?
This is our webcam lab where 3D printer is going on, and here the students have created their model with a 3D printer. It's there is a machines called single filament and double filament. Where
Oh.
in double filament the movable object you can make it, and in single filament you can make this kind of objects.
Right.
So just you have to put the solutions and give the command by the machines according to what you are designing it. So again, it comes through the designing, what innovative they come up with the students, and they create according to the characters if they want. They want to make artifact, they want to make any clock or furnitures. So it's all depends upon the student's mind. That whatever they are making it, what has we have done is we have put a sticker where the student semester with semester it is name mentioned and their disciplinary, and behind the scene that what they think about why they have made it this particular furniture that they have created. Like for instance, you can see this first semester student has made and the Kashvi has made it. So she has made the description, what she was thinking, what it is, material and everything. She has created it.
Nothing but research center. This is.
Yeah, it is research. It should be a transparency between the students and the faculty as well as the people that is coming from outside, so that they can know that what which area of student are making it and which semester students are making it. Like, so when a person is coming from outside, like I am a parent, for instance, I'm a parent and I don't know what semester you are going to teach me. So it's give you a brief idea about every single semester, what student are making it, what they are coming up with, what they can make the innovation.
This
Like
is
this is the
scale.
interior designing students that he had created and semester 4.
Oh,
So this is our fashion lab
okay.
where students are learning about making dresses, styling dresses, how she can. Every single student is having their own mannequin.
Oh.
There we have the machines named Zuki, which is Japanese brand.
Oh.
So it is a very interesting machine where it is, you will not hurt. Like whenever we are stitching it, you will hurt with your needles.
Correct.
But it will stop. When your
Oh,
hand will be there, then it
nice.
will stop automatically.
Okay.
Because it is a Japanese brand, and you will find the advancement.
Mhm.
That's why it is called as advanced technology.
Nice. The safest mission.
Yeah.
What is this work, ma'am, actually? Oh, this is fiber.
Yeah, this is
Yeah.
fiber. And
Looks like a marble stone.
yeah, it's look like a, because it's white fiber,
Yeah.
and this wall is special made by the student. It's
Mhm.
made of origami paper.
Oh my god,
The-
pepper.
Yes, this is the beauty of this particular area.
Okay.
Where you feel like that, okay, it is a wallpaper or painted or something like that, but its reality is the origami paper.
Right.
Our student has approaches. They want to decorate this wall and they have created something unique.
That's amazing, really.
This is our weaving and dye machines lab, where you are going to learn about the weaving. If it's our students project is there, it's come with a lot of calculation, that which color you want to, which background, like in a white you want to build some green color. So design, you need to make it. The calculation is done by here.
Correct.
That which graphics you need to put, which color you want to put,
Mm.
and then accordingly you have to. These are the handles that accordingly you will change.
Mhm.